पिले माने आमे प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन इंग्लिश रो करबा आज हला देखो 2025 आगु तमरो सोशल साइंस प्रीवियस ईयर 5 वर्ष जाईची आ साहित्य 5 वर्ष जाईची तेटा देखि दबो आज इंग्लिश देखिबा हला एक नंबर व्हेन डिड इंडस्ट्रियल एक्सीडेंट टेक्स प्लेस इन भोपाल के बेहितरा भोपाल रे शिल्प दुर्घटना 3 डिसेंबर 1984 ऑप्शन डी हला तार 2 नंबर long after it was heard no more here it refers it कोन का सुना जाउ नथला ना the music of the solitary girl हला सुना जाउ नथला 3 नंबर how far is the Lucknow zoo from the house of the writer's grandfather तांग घर टू केते दूर रे 200 माइल ऑप्शन ए हला 4 नंबर when did the panchayat meet केते पंचायत बसिला ए जुमन हर केते one evening हला 5 number he took neither my advice nor his father's the sentence is a simple compound complex ki compound and complex kon hobo pile eta te buझो he took neither my advice nor his father's मोर उपदेश नेलानी कि ता बापांकर उपदेश नेलानी ताले एठी सब्जेक्ट रहला ही only one subject took one finite verb took एथे नो सबनेट क्लॉज एथे सबनेट क्लॉज नाही तेने एटा सिंपल सेंटेंस हबो ऑप्शन ए सिंपल सेंटेंस हबो हला किंतु हमर आंसर देइची कोन कंपाउंड सेंटेंस देइची हला एटा सिंपल सेंटेंस हबो 6 नंबर व्हाट इज द फेस्टिवल ऑफ लाइट इन सिक्किम सिक्किम रे फेस्टिवल ऑफ लाइट कोन ना तिहार हला सेठी पुनी शागदुआ भी हुए सेठी तापरे 7 नंबर दे हैव पुट अप द मीटिंग मीनिंग कोन पुट अप मीन्स कोन पोस्टपोन बंद कर देले पोस्टपोन हला 8 नंबर why is Vicky's brain put inside the formalin jar to promote gain of knowledge option C हला to promote gain of knowledge 9 number when do storm clouds rumble in the sky केबे केबे करथला ना जून 10 नंबर he warned me dash swimming this he warned against हला 11 नंबर what mistake did Vicky commit in his life कोन करला ना हेलमेट पिन्हि नथला सीटा मिस्टेक करतला 11 नंबर हला ए से जो एक्सीडेंट हला 12 नंबर when do the flower children have their holidays केते holidays when the rain comes option C हला 13 नंबर bread and butter कोन सिंगुलर is my favorite food कोहाइज बारंबार देखियो पूर्व वीडियो रे is my favorite food bread and butter automobile exhausts dash percent of air pollution in various parts of the world 60% automobile छोड़ुची 15 नंबर consult a doctor he said to me the passive form of the sentence कोन हबो consult a doctor he said to me the passive हबो ऑप्शन बी he advised me to consult a doctor हला तापरे 16 नंबर देखो पले he paid the bill dash cash in by on with कोन हबो तापले देखो he paid the bill in cash हबो when refers to physical currency used for payment in cash in coins जेतले कार्ड फाड़ हबो तले बाय लागिवो हला in cash क्लियर तापर 17 नंबर in the expression purple headed mountain purple means कोन bluish red 18 नंबर How long is Karachi Puja celebrated in Tripura? 7 दिन व्यापी a week long festival. मन रखिएगा a week long festival. एटे animal sacrifice हुई 14टा gods देवଙ୍କୁ पूजा करा मन रखिता 14टा god. 19 number. If you work hard, you will get a first division. କାହିଁକି ଏଇଟା type 1 କୁହାଯାଇଛି କଣ୍ଡିସନାଲ ଇଫ୍ କ୍ଲଜ କୁହାଯାଇଛି ବହୁତ ବୁଝାଇଛି ପ୍ରିଭିୟସ ଭିଡିଓରେ ଦେଖିବ ମୁଁ ଆଉ ରିପିଟ କରୁନି ଏଟା ଟାଇପ 1 ୟୁ ୱିଲ୍ ଗେଟ୍ ଏ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଡିଭିଜନ ହେଲା ଅପସନ 19 ନମ୍ବର ହବ 19 ନମ୍ବର ଅପସନ ପିଲେ 19 ନମ୍ବର ଅପସନ ଦେଖିଦିଅ ୟୁ ୱିଲ୍ ଗେଟ୍ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଠିକ ଅଛି ତାପରେ 20 ନମ୍ବର when we are returning home when we were returning home, we saw him dash cricket. To play, played, playing, play. ହେଲା 20 नंबर हो प्ले एटा हो प्लेइंग क्रिकेट ऑप्शन सी काहे हो प्ले मन रख ना व्हेन कोडे आमे ये जत्ते आमे आसिला व्हेन यू आर रिटर्निंग आसिले फेरुतले वी सम दे आर कोन ताकर प्लेइंग खेलटा चलथला कंटिन्यू करथला ହେଲା तले ओ प्लेइंग मन होला तापरे 21 number. I have read the book, you gave it to me. The combination of these two sentences will be. ହେଲା କଣ ହବ ବଗଲେ ତାହେଲେ ଯୋଉ ଭାଇଟା ଥିଲା ବି I have read the book which you gave me. book ପାଇଁ ଲାଗିଲା which you gave me. The 22 number, the thief entered by force out house last night. The phrasal verb force entered by force ହେଲା କଣ broke into. Option C. Entered by force, broke into. 23 number. What are Vicky's favorite subjects? Computer and mathematics. Option A. 24 number देखो. Lord Percy advises the school leavers जो माने परित्याग क्वेश्चन to be dash to everybody, to be considerate to everybody. 25 which class was Sanskrit introduced in को class Sanskrit ला 4th class रे Sanskrit introduced ହେଲା ହେଲା 26 the catalytic converter changes dash into harmless changes pollutants into harmless substances. ପିଲେ ए 27 नंबर टे भूल करियोनी हाउ मेनी के एलिफेंट्स आर ट्रेंड फॉर टेकिंग पार्ट्स इन बीट केते 11 15 एलिफेंट थले 11 वर ट्रेंड फॉर टेकिंग पार्ट इन बीट हला 11 मन को तापरे 28 आई टुक माय बाथ आफ्टर डैश माय टी थी कहि जी एर्लियर एक्शन लेटर एक्शन बहुत पर थर बुझै छी आ कहूनी तले आई टुक सिंपल पास्ट जोटा लेटर एक्शन सिंपल पास्ट आई टुक माय बाथ तले आई हैड ब्रश्ड आफ्टर आई हैड ब्रश घसी साइला परे मु गाधेली तले हैड ब्रश्ड आगु हला हैड ब्रश्ड ऑप्शन बी 28 नंबर ऑप्शन बी हला 29 नंबर when did he return the book to the library the correct passive form kon hobo passive form hobo when was the book returned to the library option A hobo hala according to CF Alexander what do you gather by the water every day rushes used for preparing by making mats and baskets kohaichi sabu kohaichi rushes. The aunt told Juman that he should कौन हबो किछि टंका मागिथला the aunt जुमन को मागिथला कोन गिव हर सम मनी ताकू टंका को मागा मते खर्च वर्ष दिए गिव हर सम मनी मागिथला the aunt told Juman that he should कोन गिव हर सम मनी मागिथला टंका से कोन कहला टंका कोन गछर भळुची से कथा कहैतला हला कहिछि सब आगुरु 32 what What drew tears from Gandhi's eyes? कौन the least little blemish हला drew tears from Gandhi's eye हला blemish हला कौन पिले moral defect मन किता हला नैतिक स्खलन moral defect blemish मन किता 33 number what does the phrase humbly mean? Humbly means पिले ordinary song हला humble हला ordinary song 34 number I am very happy that my words have taken effect. Who said, "Mo भारी खुशी जे मो कथा that my words have taken effect." मो कथा फलप्रद हला ए कथा के कहि देले सर्गेई कहि देले हला का कहि देले सर्गेई कहि देले का को से जो लस्कप रे जो प्रकृत बदली हला आ मत फत पिलानी रोजगार कला पैसा कला ताले सर्गेई कहि देले हला according to CF 35 number according to CF Alexander where do we find the tall trees by greenwood option C jungle 36 students should continue their studies हला continue कौन हबो continue students should concentrate continuous students should concentrate on studies preposition like on concentrate on studies 37 my friend was God's पिले एठी पुने एटा फ्रेंड लिखि दैछि एटा टे करेक्शन कर दो होला लगे भूलर प्रिंट हेछि माय फील्ड सेटा हो माय फील्ड वाज गॉड्स अर्थ होला एकदा के कहि देला ग्रैंडफादर कहि देले ग्रैंडफादर तंगर माय फील्ड्स वाज गॉड्स ए जो मोर जमी से होछि भगवान कर पृथ्वीर जमी होला गॉड्स एटा फील्ड फ्रेंड नो फील्ड तापर 38 who informed the king that the king was a who informed the king that the thing was a grain of corn एकटा के कहितले वाइज मैन कहितले केतरा कहितले जेतले कुकुडा आसिक खुंपिगिरी खाइला सेतिगळे से कहितले जारे एटा ग्रेन टारे हला 38 बी हला where is Wangala celebrated कोठी सेलिब्रेट हुए हला मेघालय रे हला वंगाल 100 रन फेस्टिवल मन किता वंगाल रा होची कोन 100 रन फेस्टिवल कहा द्वारा पालित हुए भाई ग्यारों को द्वारा ग्यारो संप्रदाय द्वारा 100 ड्रम्स आर बीटिन 100 टा ड्रम बाड़ी है एथरे who said the world is full of pleasure in the poem village song के कहितले ता मा कहितला world is full of pleasure mother 41 the teacher said that man is immortal the underline word that man is immortal हला तले होची 41 नंबर हबो कोन एटा होची नाउन क्लॉज हला 41 नंबर एटा होची नाउन क्लॉज हला act as the object of the transitive verb said रो ऑब्जेक्ट रूपे काम करूची हला नाउन क्लॉज 42 we all thought that he would come to the meeting हला एटा the underline noun clause is dash हला एटा होची कोन ना ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ ए वर्ब we all thought what प्रश्न पचरा what ना that he would come to the meeting ताले ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ ए वर्ब क्लियर तापरे 43 नंबर पढ़ाई सब इफ यू हिट आईसी टाइप 0 conditional type 0 it melts कोठी अछि it melts option C 44 father said the sun rises in the east ताले एटा बदलबोनी काहे कि जहा थबो ताले 44 नंबर कोन हबो ना father said that the sun rises in natural general fact एटा बदलबोनी the sun rises in the east option C 45 नंबर the postman was कोन fat and amiable अमायिक लोक मोटा एवं अमायिक लोक fat and amiable fellow 46 when is the zero festival when is the zero festival held every year? Every zero festival केवे हुए? प्रतिवर्ष सेप्टेम्बर मास हुए. ऑप्शन डी जीरो फेस्टिवल प्रतिवर्ष सेप्टेम्बर मास रे जीरो फेस्टिवल हला क्लियर. कोठी हुए? अरुणाचल प्रदेश रे. मन को अरुणाचल प्रदेश रे जीरो फेस्टिवल हला. 47 he started his journey dash daybreak. He started the journey at daybreak. At daybreak. 48 a herd of elephants dash in the jungle. कौन हबो? herd of elephants सिंगुलर नबो was seen in the jungle. 48 ହେଲା. 49 which of the following is a Russian coin? Russian coin कैसे? Kopek. 50 2/3 of the apple dash or turn. कौन हबो? ना टू apples कहार नबो पिले मन रखो इटा. এই যে appeals पे नबो noun. When we use fraction or percent हला the verb must agree with the noun. Noun जे अछि टी appeals তাহলে এটা fraction কি percentage যা নেই দেলে এটা নব noun appeals अछि তাহলে আর হলা এটা appeals अछि noun অনুসারে নব আর. ক্লিয়ার? তারপর দেখিবা ता पाख नंबर देखिए हला 24 में से देखिए 8 24 में से हला এটা হচ্ছে annual 24 হলা 24 में से हला. एक नंबर हला why was thought by the speaker at the first in such a hurry. कौन काहे की तरतर होई थांदी they get to get their home in the sky. ऑप्शन डी 2 नंबर. What does the teacher do when the flower children come out to play before it's time before it is time आसुंदी से कौन करे ता गोड़ा कौन रे ठा करंदी निगिरी makes them stand in a corner. Option B 3 नंबर. What does Vicky consider insulting to him? कौन ना ताकू गोटे स्पेसिमेन बोली कहउतला being called a specimen तेनु से इंसल्ट होतला. 4 नंबर. How does Vicky's brilliant brain feel in the formalin jar? कौन केमती फील करथला ना disdainful घृण्य घृण्य. 5 नंबर. What is the other name of the old अगरतला? तारले न होला ऑप्शन बी 5 नंबर ऑप्शन बी पुरान हवेली. 6 नंबर. What according to Lord Justice Percy should be kept untarnished spotless निष्कलंक कौन हवा दरकार कैरेक्टर टा तो निष्कलंक हवा दरकार ऑप्शन डी हला. 7 नंबर. What are the little things which C.F. Alexander mentioned in the poem? कौन flowers, little flowers and birds, little things हला flowers and birds. 8 नंबर. How does C.F. Alexander describe the summer sun? Pleasant कहि नांती एठी कौन हबो as enjoyable ऑप्शन बी हला. 9 नंबर. Where as mentioned in the poem the solitary bird does the nightingale sing? Where as mentioned in the poem the solitary bird does the nightingale sing? कोठी ना in some oasis among the Arabian desert Arabian मरुभूमि रे हला ऑप्शन बी. तापरे 10 नंबर. What kind of song according to Wordsworth is the solitary bird singing? को गीत मारे दुखपूर्ण गीत sad ऑप्शन सी sad. 11 नंबर. Who gave the king the correct information about the grain as big as hen? के देले सेटा के correct information देले the old peasant's grandfather देले peasant ना जेजापा देले. 12 नंबर. Which of the following was not a statement made to the king by the old peasant's grandfather? ହେଲା କଣ କହିଥିଲେ ବାଇଂ ଆଣ୍ଡ ସେଲିଂ ଅଫ ବ୍ରେଡ୍ ୱାଜ ନଟ୍ ସିନ୍ ଏଇଠି ଭୁଲ ଆଉଟା ଆରେ କହିଛି ହୁଇଚ ଅଫ ଦି ଫଲୋଇଂ ୱାଜ ନଟ୍ ଏ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ମେଡ୍ କୋଉଟା ନୁହଁ ତାହେଲେ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ୱାଜ ଫ୍ରି ଏକଥା ଠିକ କହିଥିଲେ ମାଇ ଫିଲ୍ଡ ୱାଜ ଗଡ୍ସ ହାର୍ଥ ଏକଥା ଠିକ ଲେବର ୱାଜ ଦି ଓନଲି ଥିଙ୍ଗ ପିପୁଲ କଲ୍ ଦେୟାର ଓନ୍ ଏଇଟା ବି ଠିକ ତାହେଲେ ଏଇ ଗୋଟା ଭୁଲ ଅପସନ ଏଟା ଆନ୍ସର ହବ ଅପସନ ଏ 13 ନମ୍ବର Where did Timothy sleep at night? କୋଉଠି କୁକ୍ସ କ୍ୱାର୍ଟରରେ ଶୋଉଥିଲା ଅପସନ ବି ଟିମୋଥି ରାତିରେ 14 ନମ୍ବର Why did the grandfather want to see the exponent of the Jew? କାହିଁକି କାହିଁକି ଯାଇ କହିଥିଲେ ଶୁଣ ଦେଖାରେ ନା ଟୁ ଟେଲ୍ ହିମ୍ ଟୁ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର ଟିମୋଥି ଟୁ ଆନାଦର କେଜ୍ ଆୱେ ଫ୍ରମ ଲିପାର୍ଡ ଯୋଉ ଲିପାର୍ଡ ଘୁଙ୍ଗର ଥିଲା ଖଙ୍କାଡି ବସିଥିଲା ତାକୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କେଜକୁ ନେଇଯିବାକୁ ସେଇ ଯୋଉ ସିଏ ଯାଇଥିଲା ଅପସନ ସି ଗୋଟା ହେଲା 15 ନମ୍ବର ଦେଖ do unto others as they would do unto you କଣ ଅନ୍ୟମାନ ପ୍ରତି ସେପରି ବ୍ୟବହାର କର ଯେପରି ସେମାନେ ତୁମ ପ୍ରତି କରିବାକୁ ଚାହାନ୍ତି ହେଲା କଣ ଲେଖିଛି ନା as they would do unto you the underline clause is an adverb clause of କଣ ହେଲା এটা adverb clause of manner clear 16 number if I had not seen you dash କୁହାଯାଇଛି ଏଟା ଟାଇପ 3 କଣ୍ଡିସନାଲ କ୍ଲଜ ର କୁହାଯାଇଛି ଏପଟେ ଇଫ୍ କ୍ଲଜ ରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି had seen had past participle ସେପଟେ କଣ ହବ would have past participle କହିଛି ତାହେଲେ would not have invited if I had not seen him ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଦେଖି ନଥିଲେ ଇନଭାଇଟେଡ କରିପାରି ନଥାନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ ଅପସନ ଏ କ୍ଲିୟର 17 What did Sergei advise Roscoe before to took leave of them ଯେ କେତେ କଣ କହିଲେ ଆଡଭାଇସ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ସର୍ଗେଇ କଣ କହିଥିଲେ ଆଡଭାଇସ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ସଦେଇ କହିଥିଲେ ଟୁ ୱାର୍କ ହାର୍ଡ ଆଣ୍ଡ ନଟ୍ ଟୁ ଡ୍ରିଙ୍କ କାମ କରେ କଠିନ ପରିଶ୍ରମ କରେ ଆଉ ପିଆ ପି କରନି ମଦ ପିଏନି ହେଲା 18 ନମ୍ବର What brought about a change in the heart of Luskov ହେଲା କଣ ତାର ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତନ କରିଥିଲା ହାର୍ଟରେ ନା ଓଲଗାସ୍ ୱାର୍ଡ ଆଣ୍ଡ ନୋବୁଲ ଡିଡ୍ସ ହେଲା 19 ନମ୍ବର ପ୍ଲିଜ look dash the word in the dictionary please look up 19 ନମ୍ବର ହେଲା look up ହେଲା એટલે look up ହେଲା କଣ ଏ look up ର ଦିଟା ମିନିଂ ଅଛି ଗୋଟେ ସର୍ଚ୍ଚ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଇମ୍ପ୍ରୁଭ ଟୁ ସର୍ଚ୍ଚ for information in a book or a dictionary or online ସେଟା look up ହେଲା এটা କଣ ହବ look up କ୍ଲିୟର ବୁଝିଲା ତାହେଲେ look up ଏଠି 19 ନମ୍ବର ଅପସନ ସି ହେଲା 20 ନମ୍ବର the police are investing the matter the underline word can be replaced by କୋଡିଏ କଣ ହବ ନା investing ବୋଲେ look into invest ଅର୍ଥ look into investing looking into ହେଲା ତାପରେ 21 ନମ୍ବର ହେଲା he taught me English in the school pick out the direct object in the ତାହେଲେ ଦେଖ me ଗୋଟିଏ ଅଛି ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ ଆଉ ଇଂଲିଶ ଗୋଟିଏ ଅଛି ହେଲା ତାହେଲେ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ କିଏ ସେ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ ହଉଛି ଇଂଲିଶ ଇନଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ ହଉଛି mi କ୍ଲିୟର ତାହେଲେ ଏଠି ହବ ପଚାରିଛି କଣ ବାହାର କରିବାକୁ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ ପଚାରିଛି ତାହେଲେ ଇଂଲିଶ ହେଲା ତାପରେ 22 ନମ୍ବର ଦେଖ କୁହାଯାଇଛି ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ ଭେରି ବ୍ୟୁଟିଫୁଲ ନାଇଟ୍ ଇଟ୍ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ଏକ୍ସକ୍ଲାମେଟରୀ କେମିତି କରହବ ରୁଲ ରେଗୁଲେସନ କହିକି ପୂର୍ବ ଭିଡିଓ ଦେଖ କ୍ଲିୟର କହିଛି ହେଲା ତାହେଲେ 22 ନମ୍ବର ଅପସନ ବି ଦେଖ ହ୍ୱାଟ ଏ ବ୍ୟୁଟିଫୁଲ ନାଇଟ୍ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ ଅପସନ ବି 23 it is true that he has joined the army ତାହେଲେ the underlying clause is a noun clause acting କଣ ରୂପେ କାମ କରୁଛି ହେଲା ତାହେଲେ କଣ ପାଇଁ କାମ କରୁଛି ନା an expression in opposition to the subject ରୂପେ କାମ କରୁଛି କାହିଁକି এইটা হଉଛି କଣ ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି ରିଅଲ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ନୁହଁ। ହି ହାଜ ଜଏଣ୍ଟ ଦି ଆର୍ମି ଇଜ ଟ୍ରୁ। ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି ରିଅଲ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ହେଲା। ତାହେଲେ এটা আন এক্সপ্রেশন আন অ্যাবসেন্ট সাবজেক্ট। এটা ইন্ট্রোডাক্টরি বা ডমি। 26 নম্বর, he was interested in what I said, the underlying clause in a noun clause acting। তাহলে তাহলে এই যে what I said টা কোন হবো না এরা ইন হেলা প্রিপোজিশন এটি আছে না প্রিপোজিশন আছে। তাহলে কোন an object of a preposition। এই নাউন ক্লজটা ହେଲା কোন an object of a preposition। in preposition আছে। তারপরে 25 নম্বর, the governor and chancellor of the university কোন হবো has come have come are come are come। তাহলে এଠି কোন গଭର୍ଣ୍ଣର ଆଉ chancellor ଇଏ କଣ ଗୋଟେ ସେମ୍ ପର୍ସନ ଆଉ ସେମ୍ ପର୍ସନ has come ହେଲା। ତାହେଲେ ଯଦି ଥାନ୍ତା ଦି ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣର ଆଣ୍ଡ ଦି ଚାନ୍ସେଲର ସେଠି ଅଲଗା ଲୋକ ହେଲା। ତେଣୁ ଇଏ ଗୋଟିଏ ଲୋକ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣର ଯିଏ ଚାନ୍ସେଲର ସିଏ, ତାହେଲେ has come clear। 26 নম্বর ହେଲା। 26 নম্বর ଦେଖ, students as well as the headmaster dash present at the meeting ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ଥିଲେ। ତାହେଲେ ଏଠି କିଏ ନବ as well as ଲାଗିଛି, ତାହେଲେ as well ନବ କଣ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ students, তাহলে বহুবচন হবো ওয়ার। ক্লিয়ার। 27 নম্বর, হোয়াট অ্যাকর্ডিং টু Justice Percy should the students avoid in their leisure hours। leisure ରେ କଣ avoid କରିବେ mere idling ମାନେ ଅଳସୁଆ idling avoid କରିବେ। 28 নম্বর, which are rated the first among the industries that discharge high amounts of smoke and ash into their kids high rated ଛାଡୁଛି thermal power station high rated ଛାଡୁଛି। 29 ଦେଖ, people say he was honest officer, it can be changed to passive କେମିତି ହବ passive people say ହେଲା they say people say ଏଗୁରା ଯୋଉ it is said that option A 29 option A it is said that he was an honest officer ହେଲା। 30 নম্বর, he objected to my proposal, it can be passive କେମିତି ହବ passive ହବ କେମିତି he objected to my proposal, my proposal was objected ହେଲା ଏଇଟା ହବ ତର। ତାପରେ 31 ହେଲା, I saw him dash the evening of 15th August, এইଠି ପିଲେ ହବ I saw him on the evening। on the evening କୋଉଠି ଲାଗିବ ମାନେ ଦେଖ ନା ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗୋଟେ ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ଡେଟ୍ ଦେଇଛି 15th ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ଡେ ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ଡେଟ୍ ଦେଇଥବ ସେଠି on ହେଲା ହେଲା, ନହେଲେ in the morning in the evening ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା ହେଲା। ତାହେଲେ on। safety rules 25 safety rules prescribe precautions against fire ନବ against ନବ। 33 নম্বর, what according to Gandhi was the percentage like lenient percentage lenient। 34 নম্বর, what pained Gandhiji deeply କାହା deeply ଗଭୀର ଭାବରେ ଆଘାତ ଦେଲା କାହା କଣ ଦେଲା ନା his being କଣ he being convicted of lying ଏଇ ଅପସନ B 34 ଅପସନ B ହେଲା convicted of lying। ତାପରେ 35 নম্বর, which of the following are responsible for 60% କିଏ ଛାଡୁଛି ବେଲେ 60% ଧୂଆଁ କିଏ ଛାଡୁଛି ଅଟୋମୋବାଇଲ ସେମାନେ ଛାଡୁଛନ୍ତି ଏୟାର ପଲ୍ୟୁସନ କରୁଛି ଅଟୋମୋବାଇଲ ସେମାନେ 60% ଛାଡୁଛନ୍ତି percent of pollution of various parts of the world ହେଲା। 36 নম্বর, how did Lencho feel when he counted the money, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଟଙ୍କା ଗଣିଲା ସେ ରାଗିଗଲା ଟଙ୍କା ଯେତିକି ଆସିନି ମିଳିଲା angry ହେଲା surprise ନୁହଁ angry। 37 I dash my dog for a walk every morning ହେଲା। ପିଲେ ଏଇଟା ଟିକେ ଅପସନ ଦେଇଛି ହାର୍ଡ ବିନ୍ ଟେକିଂ ଆଉ ମୋର ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ଦିଟାକ ଆଇ ଡ୍ୟାଶ ମାଇ ଡଗ୍ ଫର ୱାକ୍ ଏଭ୍ରି ମର୍ଣ୍ଣିଂ ବିଫୋର ଇଟ୍ ଡାଏଡ୍ ମାନେ ଇଏ ମରିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ସକାଳୁ ବୁଲିବାକୁ ନଉଥିଲି ନଉଥିଲି ତାହେଲେ ଏଇଟା ପାଷ୍ଟ ହ୍ୟାବିଟ ତାହେଲେ ୟୁଜୁଆଲ ଚାଲିଥିଲା ପାଷ୍ଟରେ ତାହେଲେ ଯଦି ଚାଲିଥିଲା ଏଇଟା କଣ ହବ ନା ଆଇ ଟୁକ୍ ମାଇ ଡଗ୍ ଫର ଏ ୱାକ୍ ଏଭ୍ରି ମର୍ଣ୍ଣିଂ ଅପସନ ଏ ଟି ହବ ଅପସନ ଡି ବି ହବ ଅପସନ ମୋ ଭିତରେ ଅପସନ ଟି ବହି ଦେଇଛି ଆନ୍ସର ଡି ବି ହବ କିନ୍ତୁ ଅପସନ ଏ ବି ପୁରା କରେକ୍ଟ ହବ ହେଲା ଆଇ ଟୁକ୍ ମାଇ ଡଗ୍ ଫର ଏ ପାଷ୍ଟ ଚାଲିଥିଲା ପାଷ୍ଟ ଘଟଣାର ତାର 38 ଦେଖ 38 I dash for you all this morning I have been waiting all this morning 39 what active lenso where the big drops rain like କଣ ସେ ହଉଛି ଅପସନ ନ୍ୟୁ କଏନ୍ସ ହେଲା ନ୍ୟୁ କଏନ୍ସ ଅପସନ ନ୍ୟୁ କଏନ୍ସ ହେଲା ଠିକ ଅଛି 40 ଦେଖ what according to the speaker in the flower school do the branches do in the forest when the rain comes ହେଲା କଣ ନା the class together ଗୋଟା ଡାଳ ଉପରେ ଗୋଟା ଡାଳ ବାଡେଇ ହୁଅନ୍ତି କ୍ଲାସ ଟୁଗେଦର କେତେ କଥା କହିଛି ରସଲ ସବୁ ଶବ୍ଦ କହିଛି ଦେଖିବ କଣ କହେ ଲିପ୍ସ କଣ ହନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଯୋଉ ଷ୍ଟର୍ମ ଜାଣ୍ଟ କ୍ଲାଉଡ ସେ କଣ ସବୁ କହିଛି ଦେଖିବ ପୁରୋହିତରୁ ଆଉ ଏତେ ସମୟ ନାହିଁ ନା କହିବାକୁ 41 ନମ୍ବର I am afraid you will regret dash ceremony ଏଇଟା ହବ ପିଲେ having lent ହବ 41 ନମ୍ବର ହବ କଣ having lent କାହିଁକି I am afraid you ଏଇଟା having lent ହବ ଅପସନ ସି ହବ ହେଲା when the verb regret verb regret ଏଇଟା regret verb ଅଛି when the verb regret is followed by another action that happen before the feeling of regret ଆମେ ଏଥିରେ କଣ କରିବା gerund perfect gerund ବ୍ୟବହାର କରିବା having plus past participle ହେଲା ତେଣୁ having lent ତାର 42 ନମ୍ବର he was made dash the truth to tell telling କଣ ହବ ମନେ ଏଟା ମନେ ରଖିଦବ ଯେତେବେଳେ ପିଲେ make verb ତବ ଯେତେବେଳେ ପ୍ୟାସିଭ ରେ ଥବ ଟୁ ଇନଫିନିଟିଭ କରିବ ଯଦି ଆକ୍ଟିଭ ରେ ଥବ ଖାଲି ବେସ୍ ଫର୍ମ କରିଦବ କ୍ଲିୟର ତାହେଲେ ଏଠି କଣ ଅଛି ଦେଖ 43 ଏଠି କଣ ଅଛି 42 କଣ ଅଛି he was made dash the truth he was made ପ୍ୟାସିଭ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ହେଲା ପ୍ୟାସିଭ ହେଇଛି ତାହେଲେ କଣ ହବ ନା ଟୁ ଟେଲ୍ କ୍ଲିୟର ତାପରେ 43 ନମ୍ବର what according to the daughter in village song have cadences of sorrow option D bridal songs and cradle songs ହେଲା 44 ନମ୍ବର what does the expression river isles in village song mean କଣ ନା islands in the river option B 45 on which trip did Samoji Sahu put a double load ଚତୁର୍ଥ ଟ୍ରିପ ଆଣିଥିଲା ଡବଲ ଲୋଡ on the bullock ହେଲା ଡବଲ ଲୋଡ ଯାହା ଆଣିଥିଲା ଡବଲ ଲୋଡ କରିଦେଲା ଫୋର୍ଥ ଟ୍ରିପ ରେ ହେଲା 45 ର ଅପସନ B 46 why was Algu initially unwilling to be the punch ପ୍ରଥମରୁ କାହିଁ ପଞ୍ଚ ହବାକୁ ରାଜି ହେଉନଥିଲା କାହିଁକି ତା ବନ୍ଧୁ ଥିଲା ବିଲା ନା ନାହିଁ ତାହେଲେ because Juman had and he were close friends ଥିଲେ ବିଲା ହେଲା ଅପସନ D 47 ନମ୍ବର she said what a dreadful sight ତାହେଲେ ଦେଖ ଏଠି ତ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନବାଚକ ବାକ୍ୟ ଅଛି ଏଠି ରିପୋର୍ଟେଡ ସ୍ପିଚ ରେ ତାହେଲେ କଣ କରିବ ଏଠି ପୁଣି ଏସ୍ ଅର୍ ନୋ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଦେଲେ ଇଫ୍ ୱେଦର ଆସିଥାନ୍ତା ଆସିନି କହିଛି ସବୁ ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ବୁଝିଯିବ ତେଣୁ ଦେଖିବ ତାହେଲେ ହବ she exclaimed that इट वाज वेरी ड्रेडफुल साइड ऑप्शन सी हैला 47 ऑप्शन सी 48 he said to me hey did you ଏଠି ଦେଖ ଏଠି ଆସିଲା do you yes or no question do you know ତାହେଲେ କଣ ହବ if ଆସିବ ବା with ଆସିବ ତାହେଲେ ଏଠି 48 ନମ୍ବର ହବ କଣ ନା he asked me if I knew him option D 49 in which state the 100 Ram festival ଇନା ଯାଇଥିଲା 100 ବୋଲ ମେଘାଳୟରେ 100 Ram festival option which ritual is believed to help the people of Manipur rise to a higher plane life କଣ ନା climbing the nearest hilltops option C ହେଲା ତାପରେ ଆମେ ଯିବା 23 ମସିହା annual question ହେଲା 23 ମସିହା annual question କରିବା ଦେଖ ଦେଖ ସବୁ କ୍ଲିୟର ହେଲା ଏକ ନମ୍ବର Lord Percy advises the student to be dash to their rivals to be fair students should have courage to stand up କଣ ହବ stand up for what is good stand up for what is good ହେଲା 3 number Lord Percy says that dash is a priceless possession के से अमूल्य संपदा के से untarnished character निष्कलंक चरित्र untarnished character option C एना जाइथला इन्वेस्टिंग जाइथला चाना इन्वेस्टिंग the police are investing the matter कौन इन्वेस्टिंग कौन look into looking investing अछि looking into option D 5 number in my time money was not yet in use जे कथा के कहितले ना old peasants father कहितले old peasants father कहितले money was not yet in use हैला तब 6 number the doctor in village song is full of admiration for कहा पे forest notes option D forest note हैला तापर 7 नंबर 7 नंबर what according to Eustace Percy is the deadly enemy of health and efficiency के से deadly होची मद drink 8 नंबर which are rated the first among the industries एना कहितला अधिका रेट पॉल्यूशन के कोची थर्मल पावर स्टेशंस 9 number who told the king that the strength thing was a grain of corn एटा के कहितला राजा को जाईगिरी वाइज मैन कहितले केतले कहितले जेतले कुकुडाटी खुंपी दला आईगिरी कहले रे एटा शस्यटा रे who told के माने किए कहितले याकू वाइज मैन माने कहितले हला 9 नंबर ऑप्शन सी 10 नंबर according to aunt dash lives in the heart of punch aunt कौन कहला पंच हृदय रे भगवान रहिचंदी महान कहिला तेणु God lives in the heart of punch option B 11 number why do thermal power station cause more pollution काई करूची because they discharge high amounts of smoke and ash हैला option B 12 number the flower children do their lesson ऑप्शन ए प्ले एटा साउट हे एटा शॉर्ट करिवो एस एच ओ यू टी हे एटा एस एच यू टी हैला विथ डोर शॉर्ट ऑप्शन ए हैला तापरे 13 नंबर एयर हैज डैश परसेंट ओवर एयर केते जण एयर नाइट्रोजन 78 भाग अछि अम्लजान अछि केते भाग 21 भाग 0.03 अछि के से CO2 अंगारकाम्ल हैला तापरे देख 14 नंबर ऑर्गन हेरा सब अन्य सब 1% कम अछि अन्य गैस उडे मिसी हैला 14 नंबर the doctor in village song tells her mother that she cannot stay because से एठी रही परिबो नाही काहे की ना the voice of fairy flux तांको डाकुची calling her option D हैला 15 नंबर एसिडेन कंटेन्स एसिडेन कौन अछि ना ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ सल्फर एंड नाइट्रोजन ऑप्शन सी एसिडेन अछि ओरा हला तापरे 16 नंबर द डेथ ऑफ लेक्स इन ईस्टर्न कनाडा has been caused by acid rain द्वारा डेथ ऑफ लेक्स इन ईस्टर्न कनाडा has been caused कहा था नष्ट हर दौड़े नष्ट है एसिड रेन जो हला तापर 17 नंबर the man he is talking to is my uncle कहे छी डिफाइनिंग क्लॉज नॉन डिफाइनिंग क्लॉज बहुत थर कही आउ एना कब देखिबो पूर्व वीडियो रे देखिबो इंग्लिश रो जत्ते ऑब्जेक्टिव वीडियो बगी त देखिबो देखिले भलो भार बुझिबो इंग्लिश रे भलो करिबो एटा दा डिफाइनिंग रिलेटिव क्लॉज ऑप्शन सी हला नॉन डिफाइनिंग धर धर सूत्र कहि तो खाली कमा जदि लागि थबो सेटा नॉन डिफाइनिंग बसै दो कमा जदि लागि थबो कहि दी बुझेई सेतले भलो भार देखिबो 18 नंबर बी टेम्परेट इन ऑल थिंग्स তাহলে কোন হবো 18 নম্বর হবো সি দি আন্টোনিমি পচারছি আন্টোনিমি বলে বিপরীত শব্দ অর্থ কোন হবো ইনটেম্পারেন্ট ହେଲା তার বিপরীত কোন টেম্পারেট 19 নম্বর হু ইজ দি ডটার ইন দি পোएम ভিলেজ সং গোইং টু গ্রিভ কাহাকু দুঃখ দাও যাଉଥିଲା না হর লভর মা কହି ନଥିଲା ତୁ କଣ तो लभर को ग्रीप बोले दुख दबाक जाऊछु हर लभर 20 नंबर सरिता सेड इज इट स्टिल रेनिंग इट कैन बी चेंज टू इंडायरेक्ट स्पीच कहबो सरिता सेड इज इट তাহলে এইটা কি বাক্য আছে প্রশ্নসূচক বাক্য ইন্ট্রোডিউস সেন্টেন্স আছে ইজ আছে মানে ইন্ট্রোডিউস সেন্টেন্স রে এটা হচ্ছে এস অর নো কোশ্চেন তাহলে এস অর নো কোশ্চেন ইফ হই দ্বারা আসিবো তাহলে কোন হবো 20 নম্বর দেখো না সরিতা asked if it was still raining option A ঠিকই 21 নম্বর when Algu was named chief judge জুমন যেতলে Algu was named chief judge Algu ହେଲା ସେ ଜୁମନ ଫେଲ୍ଡ କଣ ଭାରି ଖୁସି ହେଇଗଲା ହେଲା ଖୁସି ହେଇଗଲା ଓଭର ଜେଡ କହିଲା ମୋ ବନ୍ଧୁ ପୁରା ମୋ ପାଇଁ କହିବ ଆଉ ହେଲା 22 number Eustace Percy advises the student to be dash in all things ହେଲା তাহলে কোন হবে ও ট্রুথফুল এটি ওটা রয়ে যায় টি আর ইউ এটি ট্রুথ এটা এটা ওটা রয়ে যাইছে এটা ভুল প্রিন্টিং হয়েছে ହେଲା ট্রুথফুল ট্রুথফুল সত্যবান সত্যবাদী ও 23 নম্বর what according to the daughter in village song do the bridal songs and cradle songs have কোন না ইয়ে হଉଛି Carnesses of sorrow. Carnesses of sorrow. Option B. Clear. দুঃখ 24 Samaji Saho refused to pay the price of the bullock, saying that Algu had sold him a dying bullock. ওটা মল্লা ভরত ଦେଇଥିଲା dying bullock 25 Do not hesitate to seek advice from your teacher. Advice ଉପଦେଶ ହେଲା 25 ନମ୍ବର ହେଲା ଡି ଆଡଭାଇସ୍ ହେଲା ଉପଦେଶ ନାଉନୁ ହେଇଟି এইটা হচ্ছে আডভাইস কোন এটা ভর জানো তো ভর এটা নাউন ହେଲା তারপরে 26 we all thought that he would come to the meeting এই যে অন্ডারলাইন ହେଇଛି অন্ডারলাইন যে হচ্ছে that he would come to the meeting এটা নাউন ক্লজ কোন রূপে কাম କରୁଛି ହେଲା ଆମେ ଯଦି ପଚାରେ we all thought what ପଚାରିଲେ ତାହେଲେ ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ ରୂପେ କାମ କରୁଛି that he would come to the meeting ଆସିବ ତାହେଲେ ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ ଅଫ ଏ verb ହେଲା ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ verb ର ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ ରୂପେ କରୁଛି ହେଲା verb ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ କି ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ verb କି thought ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ ରୂପେ କାମ କରୁଛି 27 ଅପସନ B ହେଲା new cars have been equipped dash devices equipped with equipped with preposition equipped with ହେଲା ତାପରେ ଆମର ଆସିଲା କଣ 28 the menace of air pollution has now reached the peak ଏଇ ଯୋଉ underlined or menace वाला ପିଲେ ୟାର ତ threat menace ଅର୍ଥ କଣ threat ହେଲା 29 ନମ୍ବର ଦେଖ according to Lord Percy smoking in youth dash the boy stunts the boy 30 number students should have dash manner courteous manner option B courteous manner 31 how does Vicky's brain feel when people call him a specimen ଯେତେବେଳେ specimen କହନ୍ତି ସେ ତାକୁ insult ଲାଗେ very insulted 32 I will write to him I can be changed into passive voice କଣ ହବ passive କହିଲେ ତାକୁ I will write to him passive କହିଲେ ହବ he will be written to he will be written to 33 number interesting hobbies and good books will exercise over the students an influence for dash for good influence for good ବୋଲେ forever ଅର୍ଥ permanently ଚିରଦିନ ପାଇଁ ହେଲା 34 ସାହୁଜୀ would return from the market with a lot of କଣ ଧରିକି ଫେରୁଥିଲା ସାହୁଜୀ ଫେରୁଥିଲା return from the market with salt and oil ଧରି ଫେରୁଥିଲା 35 number acid rain kills dash a large stretches of forest ହେଲା option A ତାପରେ ଆସିଲା 36 most children take after most children take after ବୋଲେ resemble take after resemble 37 air pollution is the crucial problem the earth is faced with is crucial under crucial अर्थ कौन critical problem 38 what was Vicky कौन था Vicky गोटे कॉलेज स्टूडेंट थला the king brought the grain as big as hen from କୋଉଠୁ କିଣିଥିଲା କାଠୁ କିଣିଥିଲେ କିଙ୍ଗ ଟ୍ରାଭେଲର ଠୁ ଯୋଉ ବାଟୋଇ ଯାଉଥିଲା ତାର ବାଟୋଇକି କିଏ ବିକିଥିଲେ ପିଲାମାନେ ବିକିଥିଲେ ପଢିବ ସେ ସବୁ କହିଛି ସବୁ 40 ଦେଖ I have visited this place before passive କର passive ହେଲେ କଣ ହବ I have visited this place before option A ହବ this place have been visited before ତାପରେ 41 number he said good luck indirect speech कौन हबो change into indirect speech he wished me a good luck option B हैला he said good luck he wished me good luck तापर 42 number the grandfather said that dash was the only thing men called their own कौन कहला शेष बुढ़ा बापा कहले ग्रैंडफादर कौन कहले ना लेबर केवल परिश्रम तांकर निजर थला लेबर तांकर ओन हला 43 the flower children have their holidays केते holiday ना when the rain comes वर्षा दिन आसीबो हला 44 number Juman is behind the death of one of the bullock जुमन मार देइछि बिली ता जो आलकु बळद किन थला मार देइछि बिली जुमन इज बिहाइंड द डेथ ऑफ वन बुलक जो गोटा बळद मरियाला या पछरे जुमन अछि के कहतला आलगुर स्त्री कहि तो कहतला आलगु स्वाइफ कहतला हला 45 द कैटलिस्ट कन्वर्टर चेंजेस pollutants into harmless substances 46 हला 46 who was toothless bent and pale किए से दांत नथला नंटा नई थला सी होजी प्रथम ता बापार टिके शुणुला ता बात शुणुला आउ ये आरटा पूरा शुणुला पूरा पूरा हला ताले होजी के से टूथलेस बेंट एंड पेल के से ओल्ड पिजांट 47 we eat so that we may live the underlined clause is an adverb clause of କଣ ତାହେଲେ we eat so that we melish ହେଲା ଏ ଶୋଟା ହେଲା କଣ ସବର୍ଡିନେଟ କଞ୍ଜକ୍ସନ ଜାଣି ତ କୋଅର୍ଡିନେଟ କଞ୍ଜକ୍ସନ ସବର୍ଡିନେଟ କଞ୍ଜକ୍ସନ ଆଗରୁ କହି ଦେଇଛି ଫ୍ୟାନ ବଏଜ ହଉଛି କୋଅର୍ଡିନେଟିଂ କଞ୍ଜକ୍ସନ ଦେଖିବ କ୍ଲିୟର ବୁଝି ଦେଇଛି ତାହେଲେ ଏଇଟା ହବ କଣ 47 ନମ୍ବର ହବ ଆମର କଣ ନା ସୋ ଦ୍ୟାଟ ଆମେ ଖାଉଛି ବଞ୍ଚିବା ପାଇଁ କଣ ପାଇଁ ନା ପର୍ପୋଜ ହେଲା adverb clause of purpose 48 What offense did Vicky commit once in his life? कौन से भूल करथला कौन ना हेलमेट पिंधि नथला से एक्सीडेंट ହେଲା not wearing his helmet ହେଲା तापरे 49 if you are card बारंबार पडुची कहि देइची देखि दो वीडियो गुडी सब सेइथरु पडियो सब आउ एटा को कंडीशनल क्लॉज if you are card type 1 सेपटे कह हबो will ହେଲା ताले will get a first user option B 50 why is Vicky's brain on display in human brain museum काहेकि ना to promote gain and knowledge पे रखा है क्लियर थैंक यू वेरी मच